We are in Hydra, Greece today, and we are heading out to see a most unusual art museum. It's located in an old slaughterhouse. The Deste Foundation for Contemporary Art is a non-profit established in Geneva, Switzerland back in 1983 by art collector Dakis Joannou. And by the way, Deste is the Greek word for look. The Hydra Slaughterhouse project, a part of Deste, is a tiny art museum. The museum holds exhibitions annually on Hydra, and this year's artist is world-famous sculptor Jeff Koons. I had a chance to ask the museum director for a little more of the backstory. Who's the owner of this museum? Is there an owner or just a foundation?
No, the owner is Dakis Joannou, and the former of this foundation. He loves Hydra. Jeff Koons loves Hydra too. Two of them are pretty close friends from the 80s. So they have a really close relationship with the island and with each other.
And to prove this was a slaughterhouse, I'm told this is where they kept the animals prior to slaughter. If you were wondering, the sun that you're seeing right here is a Jeff Koons work. If you've ever been to a more unusual museum, please share the name of that museum with me in the space down below.